Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most futuristic and bold touring concepts ever imagined on three wheels, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Electric Tricycle Camper. This machine redefines what long-distance freedom looks like by blending legendary Gold Wing comfort with electric power and a fully integrated camper setup, creating a whole new category of luxury adventure touring. At first glance, the design immediately commands attention. The familiar Gold Wing DNA is clearly visible, but everything has been re-engineered for the electric era. The front retains the iconic aerodynamic fairing, wide LED headlights, and sculpted bodywork that has made the Gold Wing a touring legend for decades. From the side, the tricycle layout provides added stability, with two rear wheels supporting the camper module, giving the bike a confident, planted stance. The camper section is seamlessly integrated, looking more like a high-end concept vehicle than an aftermarket add-on. Moving to the powertrain, the electric motor delivers instant torque, which is perfect for smooth highway cruising and effortless overtakes even with the added camper weight. Honda's advanced electric drivetrain focuses on silent performance, zero emissions, and ultra-refined power delivery. Acceleration is smooth and linear, making long rides less tiring and more enjoyable. The battery system is engineered for extended touring, offering impressive range optimized through regenerative braking and intelligent energy management. One of the standout features of this electric tricycle camper is its stability and ride confidence. The three-wheel configuration significantly improves balance at low speeds, in city traffic, and during parking, while also providing exceptional control on long highways. The advanced suspension system adapts to road conditions and load weight, ensuring a plush, floating ride whether you're riding solo or fully loaded for a multi-day adventure. Step into the cockpit, and you immediately feel Honda's dedication to rider comfort. The seating position is upright and relaxed, with a wide, supportive seat designed for hours of continuous riding. Heated and ventilated seating options enhance comfort in all climates, while the adjustable windscreen and aerodynamic fairing provide excellent wind protection. The fully digital instrument cluster displays speed, battery range, navigation, energy usage, and ride modes in a clear and intuitive layout. Technology plays a major role in this futuristic tourer. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen with smartphone connectivity, voice control, GPS navigation, and premium audio tuned specifically for open road riding. Ride modes allow the rider to switch between eco-focused cruising, balanced touring, and performance-oriented riding, each adjusting throttle response, regenerative braking, and suspension behavior.